Islamic banks are filled with shubuhat, such general terms. I'm against this because you cannot, this is dhulm, it's any clear oppression. If the bank is a so-called Islamic bank and the transactions are Sharia compliant, for example, a board, a Sharia board, with a group of scholars that gave a fatwa that the transactions of this bank are valid and permissible, then it's based on their fatwa. Khalas, we take their fatwa regarding this, especially if it's a group of known scholars who are experts in this field. Do not take an opinion of a scholar or a knowledge seeker who is far away from, this area of fiqh. But if it was just a claim that Sharia compliant without any scholars working with them, here be careful. Here be careful. To summarize all of this, if their transactions are Sharia compliant and it's an Islamic bank that has scholars giving a fatwa that it is permissible, go ahead and work with them without any issues.